and this is Kim. Um, Today is just a quick have you upgraded to Windows 10 video. This computer's already Windows 10, but I want to show you where to go where you can get the free Windows 10 upgrade. Um, Windows 7 and Windows XP, I know a lot of people are still using them. They're not supported by Microsoft anymore, which means you won't get any security updates, and it's just not secure. Just go to Windows 10. I'm going to show you a free way to do it, so there's no excuse. Okay, first thing you want to do is open up Chrome and then type in, you're going to search for Windows 10, download. Pick the one here, that's from Microsoft. Okay, the screen looks like this. And this is for the newest Windows update. So we want to create Windows 10 installation media. We're not really doing that, but that's what you use when you're going to update your computer from an older version to Windows 10. So go ahead and download tool now. It will load pretty quick and it'll be down here, the bottom left of your browser. Double click on that. Say yes, I want to allow changes. Okay, so I already have Windows 10, but this will get me to the very newest version of Windows 10. So it's a great thing to do even after you have Windows 10 on your computer without going through all the different Windows updates constantly. This will get you to the newest version, which is kind of cool. So you have to wait a little while, a few minutes, hopefully not a few minutes, while it's getting things ready. Then once you get to this page, you can read this if you want, but it's pretty typical privacy statement, although I've never read it. I can only assume. So press accept. If you press decline, you can't do it, so you kind of have to press accept. Now it's going to go through the process of looking at my computer to make sure I have enough hardware to support Windows 10. It's probably looking to see what version of Windows I have. Make sure it's a legal version, which is important. If you do not have a legal version of Windows 7, you're not going to be able to upgrade because it needs a valid license. When you get to this page, you're going to upgrade this PC now and press next. And it's going to keep going. This will take some time, so I'm not going to sit here through the whole thing with you. I'm just going to kind of tell you what to expect as it proceeds through. So keep this open, don't close this. You can close the browser if you want, but don't close this window. Just leave it open. Okay, anyways, when it's ready to install, you're going to see a recap of what will be kept after the upgrade. And if anything's not going to work with Windows 10, it will let you know. Like if there's a printer driver that won't work with Windows 10, it'll tell you. So it'll lay it out for you, which is nice. There's a little link on that page that says change what to keep. Make sure you click on that and choose to keep personal files and apps. If you don't do this step, it may delete some of your stuff, so this is very critical. So you want to keep personal files and apps. So then before you hit install, go ahead and make sure everything's closed on your computer. You don't have any software open, any programs running in the background, just close them. And then click install. This takes quite a while, so just go do something else. I mean, literally, it's a long time. It's a long process. So the computer will restart several times. That's normal. Just ignore the whole thing. Come back a little while and you'll know you're done when a settings page is showing with some toggles that you can turn off and on. So that's when it's done. If you don't see that, then just ignore it. So when you get to that page, the settings page, I turn everything off. I just arbitrarily always do that first thing. Just turn it all off. Later on, if I figure out I need something, I know to go back in and turn it back on. But you can read each item and make that decision for yourself if you think you want to leave it on or turn it off. You basically just toggle on and off. Those are your only choices for those items. Once you do that, click OK or Accept or whatever the button says, and you're now on Windows 10. It's installed. It's ready to go. It might look a tiny bit different, but it works exactly the same as Windows 7. This is Windows 10. It looks the same. I still have icons. I still have a start menu. I still have a taskbar. You double click to run things. I think you'll like it. It runs a little faster than Windows 7. It's got a lot more personalization. You'll have to watch some more of my videos to see how to personalize it and secure your copy of Windows. And yeah, so anyways, I hope this was helpful. It's a pretty easy process. It just takes a long time. So right now it's still downloading. Hasn't even started installing. So if you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe so you can find me again. And I appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you next time.